Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to sorting materials into groups. Chemistry, sorting materials into groups. Which of the following material is transparent? Which of the following material is transparent? Is it stainless steel plate, glass tumblers, Miller, plastic bottle? The answer is Miller. Almost all the light that strikes transparent materials passes directly through them. In stainless steel, Miller, and plastic bottles, light cannot pass through them, and they are therefore not considered transparent. From the given options, choose one that does not belong to the group. From the given options, choose one that does not belong to the group. Is it milk, honey, oil, or ink? The answer is oil. Milk, honey, and ink, they can dissolve in water, but oil cannot. Hence, oil does not belong to the group. The liquids that dissolve in one another are called the liquids that dissolve in one another are called are they immiscible, miscible, insoluble, or none of the above? The answer is miscible. When two liquids mix completely, there is no distinguishable layer between them in the solution. They are said to be miscible. Which of the following is completely soluble in water? Which of the following is completely soluble in water? Is it chalk powder, tea leaves, sawdust, or sugar? The answer is sugar. Chalk powder, tea leaves, and sawdust are insoluble in water and settle at the bottom of the container. In contrast, sugar completely dissolves in water, leaving no trace of it. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Which of the following statements is incorrect? Some materials appear shiny while others appear dull. Some materials are rough while others are smooth. Certain materials are hard while others are soft. Some stones are transparent while some glasses are opaque. The answer is some stones are transparent while some glasses are opaque. In general, stones are opaque while glasses are transparent. Which of the following material does not have lustre? Which of the following materials does not have lustre? Is it iron, gold, plastic, or clothes? The answer is plastic and clothes. Lustre refers to the appearance of shiny materials. Metals are among the materials with this property. The property of materials to be compressed easily is the property of materials to be compressed easily is Is it softness, hardness, lustrous, or all of the above? The answer is softness. Soft materials are those that can be easily compressed or scratched, whereas hard materials, they are those that are difficult to compress. For example, cotton is soft, whereas iron is hard. Lustre is the ability of the material to have shiny appearance. Which of the following material is transparent? Which of the following material is transparent? Is it stainless steel glass, Miller, wall, or cloth? The answer is stained glass. Materials through which objects can be seen are not clearly translucent. Millers, walls, and piece of cloth does not allow any light to pass through them, and hence they are opaque. Choose the odd one out of the given option below. Choose the odd one out of the given options. Is it gold, silver, diamond, or plastic? The odd man out is plastic. Gold, silver, and diamonds are lustrous materials, whereas plastic is a dull material. The material which allow light to pass through them completely are called. The materials which allow light to pass through them completely are called. Are they transparent, translucent, opaque, or lustrous? They are transparent. We can see clearly through transparent materials. Which of the following will get reddish brown in color on exposure to air or moisture? Which of the following will get reddish brown color on exposure to air or moisture? Is it gold, silver, aluminium, or iron? The answer is iron. Iron, on exposure to air or moisture, loses its lustre and becomes dull. Mustard oil and kerosene are dash liquid. Mustard oil and kerosene are dash liquid. Are they miscible, immiscible, soluble, or insoluble? The answer is immiscible. Mustard oil and kerosene do not dissolve in water. They separate after a while, forming different layers. Which of the following material is hard? Which of the following materials is hard? Is it cotton, paper, sponge, or table? The answer is table. Table cannot be compressed, whereas cotton, paper, and sponge can be compressed and scratched easily. Which of the following will float on water? Which of the following will float on water? Is it iron, ice, stone, or book? The answer is ice. Ice is lighter than water and thus will float on water. An object can be made of different dash. An object can be made of different dash. Materials, shape, size, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Different materials are made according to the different requirements. Which of the following is a immiscible liquid? Which of the following is miscible liquid? Is it ink, petrol, oil, milk? The answer is ink and milk. Ink and milk can completely dissolve in water, whereas oil and petrol form separate layers on mixing with water. The substances that allow light to pass through them partially are called. The substances that allow light to pass through them partially are called. Transparent, translucent, opaque, or lustrous. The answer is transparent. We can see through translucent objects, but not clearly. All gases in air are dash conductors of heat. All gases in air are dash conductors of heat. Good, bad, both A and B, Sometimes good, sometimes bad. The answer is bad. Air is a poor conductor because its molecules are not in constant contact with one another. Heavy substances dash in water. Heavy substances dash in water. Sink, float, sometimes sink and sometimes float. First float and then sink. The answer is sink. Heavier objects have a density that is greater than water. Materials that do not allow light to pass through them are called materials that do not allow light to pass through them are called transparent, translucent, opaque, lustrous. The answer is opaque. We cannot see through an opaque material. For example, walls and wood are opaque materials. Thank you very much for participating in the chemistry, the part of sorting materials into groups. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.